stop. If you're losing money in trading, it's not because the market is against you. It's because you skipped the basics. And that one mistake is costing you every single trade. Let me guess. You've watched dozens of trading videos. You've tried indicators. You've entered trades that look good. But somehow, you still lose over and over again. Not because you're not smart, but because you're trading without structure. No clear plan, no defined risk, no repeatable system. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. The market punishes unstructured traders every time. Beginner traders focus on where do I enter? Professional traders focus on how do I survive and stay consistent? That's the difference. Because trading is not about winning trades, it's about not losing your account. Read that again. Not losing your account. So if you've been stuck, confused, or inconsistent, these are the 3 trading basics you cannot skip. Ignore them, and you will keep losing money. Here's the first basic you skipped. You're entering trades without a plan. You see a setup, you feel confident, you click buy. That's not trading. That's gambling. Most beginner traders trade based on emotion, impulse, hype, not structure. And without structure, you cannot be consistent. Before any trade, you must define entry, stop loss, take profit, time frame. If one of these is missing, you don't have a trade. Instead of saying, I think price will go up, you say, if price pulls back to support and shows rejection, I enter with a defined risk. That's a plan. No plan, no structure, no consistency. Here's the second basic you skipped: risk management. This is where most traders fail. Risk management. Not entries, not indicators, risk management. You risk too much on one trade. You try to make it back. You increase your position size, and one bad trade wipes out your account. You don't blow accounts from bad strategies. You blow accounts from bad risk control. Follow this rule. Risk only 1 to 2% per trade. No exceptions. If your account is €1,000, you risk 10 to 20 euros per trade. Even if you lose, you survive, and survival is the game. Small losses protect your future, big losses, and your journey. Here's the third basic you skipped: chasing the market. This one destroys beginners. Chasing the market. You see price moving fast. You feel like you're missing out. You jump in late, and immediately the market reverses. Because you're reacting, not planning. That's FOMO. And FOMO is expensive. Professional traders don't chase. They wait. They let the setup come to them. If you missed it, you missed it. There is always another trade. Always. Chasing trades creates losses. Waiting creates precision. Now, here's how you fix everything starting today. Simple. Step 1. Define your trade plan. Before entering any trade, ask, where is my entry? Where is my stop loss? Where is my target? If you can't answer, don't trade. Step 2. Control your risk. Every trade, risk 1 to 2% only. Accept the loss before entering. Step 3. Wait for your setup. No chasing, no guessing, no impulse trades. You trade your system or you don't trade at all. Listen carefully. This is where most traders fail. They know this, but they don't follow it. Right now, you have 2 choices. Stay the same, keep skipping the basics, keep chasing trades, keep losing money, or change your approach. Think like a structured trader. Trade with a plan, protect your capital, wait for your edge. Because at the end of the day, winners are not smarter, they are more disciplined. If you master the basics, you stop being a losing trader, and you start becoming a consistent one. If you're serious about fixing your trading, subscribe now, because on this channel, we don't guess, we build traders. Before your next trade, watch this next video. The simple trade plan most beginners never learn, because without it, you're still guessing.